Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python is a high-level, versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It is widely used in various domains, including web development, data analysis, scientific computing, automation, and more. In this tutorial, we will explore why you might want to use Python and provide a code example to showcase its capabilities. Python's syntax is straightforward and resembles plain English, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Code written in Python is easy to read and maintain, which can lead to faster development and fewer errors. Python's standard library is extensive and includes modules for a wide range of tasks, such as file handling, regular expressions, network programming, and more. This reduces the need for third-party libraries and simplifies development. Python is cross-platform, meaning you can write code on one operating system, example Windows, and run it on another, example Linux or Mac OS, with minimal modifications. This makes it ideal for writing cross-platform applications. Python has a vibrant and active community. This means there is a wealth of online resources, libraries, and frameworks available to help you solve problems and streamline your development process. Python can be used for a wide range of applications, including. Let's dive into a simple Python code example to demonstrate its versatility. We'll create a program that calculates the area of different shapes, rectangles, circles, and triangles. This example showcases Python's readability and ease of use. This code illustrates how Python allows you to write clear and concise code for various tasks. It also demonstrates how Python's versatility allows you to create a simple command line tool for calculating areas of different shapes. In conclusion, Python's readability, extensive standard library, cross-platform compatibility, community support, and versatility make it an excellent choice for a wide range of programming tasks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Python can be a valuable addition to your toolkit. ChatGPT